What's up, it's your main man, Really Reals. Hey, back in the garage, got another modification to do, but today it's not my car. My man Duke over there, you know what I'm saying? He came through, you know what I'm saying? Hey, make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
Charged Up Duke.
Charged Up Duke. Yeah, I put the link to it in the description. You dig what I'm saying? But today he wanted to get his tail lights blacked out on his Charger. What year is yours? 17. 2017 Charger. You dig? Right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, that's his Instagram right there. Charged Up _ Duke. Make sure you follow him. So, as you can see, we got the he went with the honeycomb. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if y'all can see it in there. He went with the honeycomb. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and black out the whole rear end on there. You know what I'm saying? To give him that you know, that match look. You dig what I'm saying? To get rid of all this factory stuff right there. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't trying to do that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get them right. We're gonna put them in the game. We're gonna show y'all a little bit of the process. Not hard at all. Pretty simple. You dig what I'm saying? So we about to set up, get ready to put this on, and we'll put y'all on the tripod, you dig, so you can watch from a distance. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna knock out this tail light. I'm not gonna do both sides. I'm not gonna record both sides because same thing, just flip it over. But we're gonna show you how we're gonna do this side, and then of course, the long part in the middle, you know what I'm saying? That part is good if you got two hands, you dig what I'm saying? So we're gonna hit this first. We're gonna make that happen. So first things first, make a shout out to Luxe Automotive because they got the best tail light tint in the game. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go and clean this side over here before we get started. All right, so we did a cut, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take the backing off and lay it on there. But if you don't have this, be right back. If you ain't got a heat gun, don't attempt this, all right? Because you're gonna piss yourself off is what you're gonna do. You know what I mean? Because this stuff, they make it so it's very forgiving, you know what I'm saying? So if you got a heat gun, you'll be good to go. And peel this on back. And let me do this again. Yeah, let's get this thing jumping for me. And see, the thing about it too is when you lay it on, you really want to try and work from the inside out. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Inside the touch. So you do this before you even apply the heat, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because some people just jump right on the heat gun when you don't need to. Just, yeah. Like I said, this stuff is pretty forgiving. You know what I'm saying? You can pull it up, lay it back down. I pretty much laid everything down, you know what I'm saying, without even using the heat gun yet. So now we're just gonna use the heat gun. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna make this forget its normal shape of being straight, and it's gonna create a new memory as the shape of the tail lights, you know what I'm saying? So it won't, so it'll just stick right onto it. You see how I get flimsy now?
Yeah.
Smooth everything out. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, so here, pop your trunk. And just raise, get this freezer. That should, hopefully that doesn't go back too far. You know what? Let's put this. There we go. Now the bees back there. Y'all see it? We got them serving bagels back there.
I got these, the one I got for sale.
Oh yeah?
The one you said that you was gonna get it.
Yeah. I was gonna get them, man. I was gonna change my mind. They're doing beat though, huh?
Yeah, they sound good.
Let's see what you can do. Put the heat so you can stretch it like you want it around the edge. See how they're gonna just stretch back there. And I got another tool that they don't give you. This helps you get into like the corners and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all doing this, make sure you get one of these. I can't tell you where the heck I get mine from. I got mine from this company that I ordered some vinyl wrap when I did my wrap on the car.
Mm-hmm.
Basically helps you tuck it on in. Before you cut. That's how you tint the tail light. That easy, ain't that complicated, you know what I'm saying? So, you guys see, of course, you know, I got fingerprints all over this thing or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? But you can tell it's gonna look totally different once we take them all the way across the back, you know what I'm saying? So, that simple. Make sure, like I said, you got your tools, guys. Make sure you got a heat gun. Make sure you got your squeegee, whatever you want to call this thing or whatnot right here. And then like a small tool like this, you know what I'm saying, definitely helps out. But first and main thing, make sure you got a heat gun. You dig what I'm saying? And then, you know what I'm saying, you can get it, get everything to lay down. So what I'm gonna do last is I'm gonna heat this whole thing up. So this is gonna be its new shape. So guys, it'll be the same across the back, you know what I'm saying? Just take your time with it. Go as far as you can without any heat, you know what I mean? And then you come back and use your heat. So we're gonna bring it back after we're all done. It's gonna take us a couple minutes, you know what I'm saying? And we'll let y'all see what my man Duke riding like, you know what I'm saying, once we get done. What's up, it's your main man, Really Reels. Hey, we back, we done. Real quick though, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But yeah, we done. We got my man Duke looking right. Man, it was a lot easier than mine for some reason, you know? Sometimes they say, I guess once you do it once, second time is a breeze or whatever. But it came out pretty dope. So I'm about to show you guys what it looked like. Alright guys, so I hope y'all like that. Hey Duke, you satisfied, right?
It's clean, it's clean.
That's what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? And look, his lights just went out, so I'm gonna show you real quick. You know what I'm saying? That's blacked out, you know what I'm saying? When the light's on, y'all seen, got that honeycomb, you dig what I'm saying? So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is, you know what I'm saying, take your time. That's the main thing about anything, you know what I'm saying? Hey Duke, give me your Instagram one more time, bro.
Hey, you can hit me up at Charged Up Duke.
Charge Up Duke. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. He's in several of my videos. I'm pretty sure you've seen him in one or two of the Memphis Nights joints. You know what I'm saying? So we about to get a lot of more content coming. And hey, he got some more stuff in the works for this charger. So y'all stay tuned. She about to be fire.
You
know what I'm saying? So we about to get up out of here, yo. Another day in the garage. And main man Really Reels. We're out of here.